Hashtags have been around for over a decade now. They started off on Twitter as a way to label your tweets so that people interested in particular topics could sift through those hashtags and have access to your relevant tweets. Then Instagram adopted them and they kind of took on this ranking role where you could use popular hashtags, make it onto people's explore pages, and broaden the scope of people who had access to your content. But now Instagram's algorithm is trying to match TikTok's, and TikTok takes far more than just hashtags into account when determining what ends up on your For You page. So Instagram made an announcement last month saying that hashtags may no longer play a role in ranking at all. In fact, they might just return to their intended usage as just a way to label and categorize content. Now, some of the tips they were giving in that post seem to contradict things they were saying just weeks prior, so people were a bit confused. So I took a good 30 hours to research, write, and edit what I am calling the hashtag manifesto. I literally consulted empirical peer-reviewed data on hashtags and everything to do with hashtag strategy in order to develop a hashtag, basically the ultimate guide to hashtags, which addresses the most basic questions like what is a hashtag, how do you use them, to ways to optimize your hashtag strategy in 2021. I'm not going to spoil anything. I just really recommend that if you are wondering whether hashtags are even relevant in 2021, or whether you're using them correctly, or maybe why your content has taken a bit of a dive after using some hashtags, all those things will be addressed, so I just highly recommend you check it out.